Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on NULLIF function in SQL. So it returns null value based on the condition, that is if condition. This is the inner meaning of this NULLIF function. So NULLIF function takes two parameters. If the value is same, it will return null. Otherwise, it will select the first value. So basically, it compares two values in this self treatment. I'm showing here one example. Select null if. So I'm comparing to first parameter is 1 I'm taking and second parameter is 0. So in this case, if you run this query, you will get the 1 result is 1. So if you change the 0 as 1, then it will return null value. So it compares within the um, within the function, it compares the two parameters, and if both those the two parameters are same in value, then it will return null. Otherwise, it will take the first parameter. The data types here, you mentioned any data type. I am using the XYZ as the first parameter, and I am using ABC as second parameter, and by using I'm uh, I'm running the query now. Now it will throw XYZ because the value is not same. That's why it returns the first parameter. If you put this as the ABC first, now both are equal, then it will throw null. So this is a rarely used function in SQL. Whenever most of them were used if and else statements instead of using the NULLIF function. But this function is very much useful at the time of the running the long queries, huge lines of store procedures. At the time of at that time, you need to do some aggregate functions, dividing the with the zero like that. At the time of dividing the zero, this NULLIF function is very much useful. I want to take some example here. I am declaring one variable. Declare where I am my data type is int, and I want to divide this. Select 100. I am setting the value as set at where is equal to 5. I am saying 5. Setting the value as 5. Now I am dividing the 100 or sorry 150 by at the rate of at this where. Then what happened? It will run. It will execute. Okay. There is no issue. At the time of the setting, the where is 0. Now it throws error. You cannot divide it by 0. It will when the 0 is denominator, it is not possible to get the result. It will throw error. Now in this case, I am using the null value. I am using the NULLIF function. NULLIF and comma. I am setting it as a 0. Then if you run this one, it will throw null because the the variable that I have set is 0, and I am comparing with 0 only. Second parameter also 0. At the time it is it compares the two values and return the null as per the NULLIF condition. So it is very much useful at the time of the uh, doing discounts of the for purchase of products, and announcing the bonus for the employees. At the time, the developers use it to run develop the code on some aggregate functions. So this NULLIF function is very much useful in that scenario. So this is what about NULLIF functions. So it compares the two values in the NULLIF function. If it is both are equal, then it will throw null. Otherwise, it will take the first parameter. So it accepts any type of data. Now I am using the float data here, 45.2, and I am in this also I am using the 12.4, 12.7. Now I am comparing this. It will throw 45.2. If I change this 45.2 with second parameter as well, then it will take null. So this is how it behaves. So nullif function is very rarely used function. Most of them are used if and else statements instead of using nullif function. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.